All right, gang, check it out. These are fly fans. These are designed to be fly repellent fans outdoors or indoors if you really wanted to help take care of a flying insect problem without the use of spraying anything, no chemicals involved. The idea and the concept is very simple. It's got a reflective two blade fan. It's got a little motor on here, and as it spins, the way it reflects the light, the flies pick that up. They see that differently than we do. They don't want to be around it, so they go the other direction. And if you happen to be in a spot where light is at a premium, you can hit a setting and it turns on a color changing light so that there is always something refracting off of these blades. And when I say blades, they are, like you can see, a very, I wouldn't say flimsy, they're a plastic blade here, and they are a safe touch. So even if you have a small child and they just run up to it and it hits them, it's only going to stop. That's all it's going to do. It's not going to hurt anything or anyone. And these are collapsible, so you can make them smaller for storage and storing them away. And they have a little flip out so that you can actually hang these if you want to hang them from something. Operation's pretty simple. A little button on the bottom, 2 settings, with and without the light and off, and it comes in a 4-pack, so you can pick up this and use this on many of your patio tables and things outside just to scare away any of the flies. Overall, if you're looking for a great, easy, simple way to scare away some flies or some other things and enjoy your backyard in peace, check out these fly fans. I think you're gonna love them.